Mentee Handbook, 3D Flow Mentorship Model. Blue Book Introduction. Welcome to the 3D Flow Mentorship Program. This handbook will help you understand the different stages of your journey as a mentee. Using a flow model inspired by deep neural networks, DNNs, you will go through a structured process to build knowledge, gain confidence, and achieve success. Keycap 1 Input Layer, your starting point. Reflect on your current skills, knowledge, and interests. Set clear learning goals with your mentor. Be open and honest about areas you want to improve. Keycap 2 Hidden Layers, Learning and Growth. Hidden Layer 1, Foundation. Understand the basics and build a strong foundation in your chosen area. Hidden Layer 2, Domain Knowledge. Learn about specific tools, concepts, or theories related to your field. Hidden Layer 3, Practical Application. Start working on real tasks or projects to apply what you've learned. Hidden Layer 4, Feedback and Improvement. Use feedback from your mentor to improve your work and grow your understanding. Hidden Layer 5, Independence. Show initiative and begin taking ownership of tasks and learning opportunities. Keycap 3 Output Layer, your achievement. Showcase your final project or deliverables. Reflect on what you have learned and how you've grown. Prepare for next steps like certifications, interviews, or new responsibilities. Keycap 4 Your reflection. What did you enjoy the most? What challenged you? How will you use this experience moving forward? What advice would you give to future ments? Tips for success. Stay curious and ask questions. Be consistent and stay engaged in your learning. Use feedback as a tool for improvement, not criticism. Track your progress and celebrate your wins. Keep a growth mindset throughout your journey.